if you are a dancer, singer, influencer, or content writer, or if you are running any business, whether it is a small or large, you have to be in a social media platform. If you are not in social media platform, it means you are out of the business. So this is Shanur Siddiqui, and today I am going to talk about social media marketing. What is social media marketing and how you can apply social media marketing strategy to your profession and your business. So please watch full video for full information. Social media marketing, friend, basically it is a strategy where the people put their content on different social media platform like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Content can be anything, whether you dance, you sing, or you write content. So if you put that content in different social media platform, so it will help you to increase awareness of your content, to get more engagement on your content. And it is basically friend free. You can post your content, you can post your video, your content writing, everything on different social media platform, and that too free. So the people will not have to pay to any platform to show their content, to express their content on social media platform. And it is not basically limited to the different individual, it is also suitable for the different businesses, like if they want to promote their product, if they want to promote their services or the new offer, what are the discount going on, or if they want to engage with their audience, or they want to talk with the customer, they want to get feedback from the customer. So everything can be done virtually, and that is too free. Previously, what happened, friend, when the company want to launch their product, they have to choose the platform like television or the hoardings. So they are very expensive, it cost for the company. But the social media platform doesn't cost for the company or the individual at all. It's all are free, and the people are more aware about the social media. Whatever you post, whatever you post in your social media platform, the people will like your post will get engagement very quick, friend, because the people nowadays, especially in this pandemic, they are more aware socially. So this was all about social media marketing. Now I will tell you about how you can apply social media strategy to your content, to your profession, or if you are a business owner, so how you can apply this social media strategy to your business. So first of all, friend, we all know that there are various social media platform which is popular in India as well as in the world. So like Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. So what you can do, friend, first you have to make your page, or you have to make your account in different social media platforms. Once you create a page, then friend, you have to understand your audience. You have to understand one thing, that everything is not for all the people. So you have to segment your audience, like what is your content and what is the audience for your content, like what type of content you are making and what type of audience is suitable for your content. So you have to create the post according to that, and you have to segregate the content of your different social media platform, like what are the posts which you are creating for the Instagram. You cannot create that post for the LinkedIn, you cannot create that same post for the Twitter. So you have to segregate all the platform according to the need of the audience. What type of audience is there, what type of audience is there in Twitter, that same audience will not be there in LinkedIn, the same audience will not be there in Instagram. So you have to make a proper strategy for different social media platform, like what type of people is there in Instagram, what type of people is there in Twitter. So you have to make a page for that, and you have to understand your audience for the different social media platform. Then you can make content according to that, then you can post the content. And one thing, friend, you have to take care, that is your audience. Whatever you are making, it's not just for you, friend. You have to understand this. You are making the content which is liked by you, but it should also appreciate by the audience or your customer. So you have to understand your customer and make the content according to that thing. You have to understand, friend, and I want to clear that most of the people think that social media marketing is more of technical stuff. It's not like this, friend. Social media marketing is basically, yeah, it consists of editing and whatever things you do after making the content. But the more important thing is your content. Whatever content you post, what are the content you put on your post, that is important, friend. editing part or the technical part, it's not an important thing. You see, whatever ad which is made by a company like Zomato or OnePlus, the 30-second ad, the editing part, the graphic part, it's not that important. It's important, but the important part is their content. What are the things which you will post which grab the attention of the audience? That is important. So the technical part you can do, that is not important, or you can learn from anywhere. But the thing or the strategy or the implementation you will apply in that 30-second ad or the 30-second post, that is important. What is your content and how that content will grab the attention of the audience, that is important. Technical things is important, but you can understand or learn from anywhere, so that will not leads to the attention of your audience friend. So one thing you have to clear, that you have to work on the strategy, you have to work on the content rather than the technical part. If you want to learn social media marketing, like how to promote your page on Instagram, how to make content for the Twitter, how to make content for the YouTube, how the content of YouTube is different from the content of LinkedIn, so everything you will understand. If you are in any profession, friend, you need a social media marketing, and trust me friend, it will lead to a growth. It will lead to a growth in any field, friend. So we will teach you a hand-holding method from basic social media marketing to the advanced level. We have a dedicated course for that, friend, where we will give you a hand-holding method from basic social media marketing to the advanced social media marketing, and how it is applicable for your business. And it is a very affordable price, friend. You can search all the course which is available in the market, and it will be cheaper from all the course which is available in the market. I'll put a link in the description. From there you can buy, friend. If you have any problem or issue related to that course, you can also DM me, friend. So this was all about social media marketing, friend. So please take care all of you, and please share this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, please write in a comment box. Thank you very much. Please take care.